And there you have it, smoky chocolate eyes. Now just to finish that look, I'm going to give you a little tip on just putting in a little bit of eyebrow product. Now because we've actually taken your eye color to 3 shades darker than your natural eyelid, we definitely want to make sure that we're enhancing the brows at the same time. So just close your eyes for me. So by enhancing the eyebrows, it actually helps me frame the eyes. Okay, so just following your brow line, popping on my eyebrow cream, and then I'm going to powder it in, just for some depth. So I'm going up to the arch of the eyebrows with my slanted brush, and then I'm just going to bring down the sides as well. Now using an eyebrow brush, I'm just going to blend that by combing it through. And as you can see, that's actually really complementing the eyes now. So just doing that again with the cream, I'm going to start from the arch and just fill in her eyebrows. Just close your eyes for me. I'm just following her line, and all I'm doing is just filling in her eyebrows to give her a little bit more depth so her smoky eyes can have a nice frame to them with the eyebrows. There you go. Nice and easy. Brushing through with my eyebrow brush, and open your eyes for me. And there you have it, beautiful chocolate smoky eyes and defined eyebrows.